Hi everyone, welcome back to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show this how to fix error 0x80073cfa when you are uninstalling apps from your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the error when you are trying to uninstall the applications from your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you simple method to fix this issue. The first method is just you have to click on this search bar, then type here WS reset. You can see here WS reset, just click on this and it will reset your Microsoft Store. After doing this, still you are facing the issue, then try the second method. You have to just copy paste the command from the video description link, open the CMD, then run as administrator. Click on yes, copy paste the command one by one. You can see this is the first command. Right click, copy, right click on the top of the command prompt window, click on edit, then click on paste. It will take some time. After completion of this, you have to type the second command. After completion of the first command, copy the second command and paste it. Then hit enter. It will also take some time. After completion of this, you have to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix error code 0x80073cfa on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.